Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
How long would an EMP actually knock out our power? It's a question that sounds like it's from a Hollywood movie, but the real answer is genuinely terrifying. An electromagnetic pulse, or EMP, is an intense burst of energy, most often discussed in the context of a nuclear weapon detonated high in the atmosphere. The pulse itself is over in a fraction of a second, but the damage it causes could plunge us into a new dark age. The duration of the outage isn't a simple answer of hours or days, it's a complex problem with a timeline stretching into months, and more realistically, years. To understand why, you have to know about the three distinct parts of an EMP. The first wave, called E1, is an extremely fast, high-energy pulse that destroys small, sensitive electronics. This means the microchips in your car, your phone, your computer, and most importantly, the sophisticated control systems that manage the entire electrical grid would be instantly fried. This damage is permanent. The second wave, E2, is much like a lightning strike. Our grid has some built-in protections for lightning, so this part is considered less of a threat, though it would still cause damage. The real catastrophe comes from the third wave, E3. This is a slower, lower-frequency pulse that induces powerful electrical currents in long metal objects, like the thousands of miles of high-voltage power lines crisscrossing the country. These currents flow directly into the most critical and vulnerable components of our grid, the massive extra-high voltage, or EHV, transformers. These transformers are the backbone of our national power system, and the E3 pulse would cause them to rapidly overheat, melt, and fail on a massive scale. This is the core of the problem. These EHV transformers are not off-the-shelf items. Each one is the size of a small house, weighs hundreds of tons, and is custom-built for its specific location. There is no strategic reserve of these transformers. In normal times, it can take over a year to build and deliver just one. Now, imagine trying to manufacture and transport these behemoths in a country with no electricity, no fuel for transportation, no working communication, and a collapsed supply chain. It becomes a nearly impossible task. So, for a widespread EMP attack, the power wouldn't be out for a week. It would be out for a very, very long time. Government reports and expert commissions estimate it could take anywhere from 18 months to several years to restore power to a significant portion of the country. We're talking about a multi-year, nationwide blackout. The initial outage would be immediate in total, a true black sky event. Rebuilding the grid would be the largest and most difficult engineering project in human history, all attempted without the modern tools that rely on the very power that's gone. Thank you for watching and taking the time to understand this critical issue. If you found this information valuable and want to learn more about major threats to our infrastructure and how to be prepared, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future videos. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.